Harmony is born from group team spirit. As in music, it is the balance between the various elements that creates the best harmony. And so too in modern business, a major group draws strength, dynamism and ideas from the synergy between the components that form it. An extremely significant example is the Rulmecher Group, world leader in material movement technology. A group born in 1962 with the foundation of the group leader, Ruli Rulmecher, at Alme on the outskirts of Bergamo, that has grown without pause in both its resources and operational scope. The development of the group has gone through various stages, characterized by major acquisitions. In 2000, the Precizmecha Holding Company. In 2003, the 4 bulk companies belonging to the Interroll Group, and in 2006, its South African competitor, Melco. Presently, the group numbers 11 production companies, 4 sales companies in Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Portugal and the USA, and 2 agencies in Russia and Kazakhstan with over 1,156 employees. Today, the Rulmecher Group is present all over the world with its offer of rollers, motorized pulleys and integrated components for the transport and movement of heavy materials. However, the Rulmecher Group's operational scope has never led to a reduction in the values and choices that lie behind its mission: innovation, the exchange of experience, and the development of each individual situation for the achievement of common objectives. The best results come from passion, experience, and precision. When experience plays the same notes as innovation, the results are always extraordinary. However, the fact remains that behind gestures that may seem spontaneous, there are years and years of work, top-flight professionalism, constant updating, tenacity, and the desire to always look ahead. Every product is born from an over 45-year-old commitment to research and design that has characterized the very progress of the sector in which it operates. The solutions produced within the Rulmecher Group have had a determining role in contributing to the development of ever more strategic activities in numerous industrial fields, particularly regarding the most onerous and demanding material movement. The most exciting challenges are the most difficult. When you boast an immense capacity, providing excellent performance becomes almost natural. For the Rulmecher Group, this means producing rollers and motorized pulleys with excellent holding systems, favoring automatic assembly, activating a complete tracing process, and the carrying out of scrupulous controls on the entire production. One can justifiably say that in every product produced by the Rulmecher Group, there is the commitment to making quality the major strong point of its authority and success obtained on the world's markets. Choosing products designed and manufactured by the Rulmecher Group means having the best technology in performance and reliability, capable of not only meeting expectations, but also optimizing the dynamism, efficiency, and therefore the economic output of the movement plant, even in the most complex and difficult conditions. True quality is destined to last over time. To assist and support ever more dynamic and onerous production rhythms means interpreting the expectations of modern industry. For the Rulemaker Group, capacity to draw on a remarkably vast and qualitative know-how is the fundamental reason behind the recognized technological and performance superiority of its products. Attention that translates into competitive advantages for the customer. In every working situation where there is the need to transport and stockpile material such as coal, sand, salt, inert substances, gravel, cement and wood, the rollers and motorized pulleys produced by the Rulemaker Group work best. In particular, where space is essential and the plant must rationalize the space it occupies, the solutions, fruit of Rulemaker Group engineering, represent the winning answer. Every technology is conceived, produced, controlled and guaranteed to combine high performance with long service life. True innovation cannot exist without respect for that which surrounds us. Today, more than ever, true development is that capable of entering in harmony with the universal values of man and the environment. This means organizing and carrying out its production with systems that, while guaranteeing technological quality, are just as careful about those that work. An important contribution to progress, carried out in tune with the values that unite respect for human dignity with that for the ecosystem, thanks to solutions that, while limiting the enormity of movement, also reduce pollution and dispersion of material into the environment. The strength and energy of the group, together to offer ever more. A great quality would be nothing without a great capacity to serve. This is always and above all based on the capacity to listen. Understanding customers' needs to produce that which they expect. Cooperating to achieve new objectives. And that is how one proves oneself a partner as well as optimum suppliers. A commitment that is just as important as product reliability. For this reason, the Rulemaker Group is growing throughout the world without ever forgetting the importance of capillarity and the personalization of dialogue. More and more companies are discovering and appreciating the advantages of dialogue with a company that knows that leadership is a situation of responsibility to be confirmed every day with concrete facts.